Unlock the power of effortless document management as we show you how to Docusign like a pro, all from the convenience of your iPad. First things first, make sure you have the Docusign app downloaded from the App Store. If not, head over there and get it installed. Once installed, open the Docusign app. You'll be greeted with the home screen, giving you several options. To send a document, tap Send. Now, select the document you want to send. For signature, you can import it from your Files app, Photos, or even directly from your email. I am selecting a file from my Files app now. Next, add your recipients by entering their names and email addresses. You can even set a signing order if needed, and don't forget to add a personalized message to guide them. Now, it's time to prepare the document. Drag and drop the necessary fields, like signature, initial, date, and text boxes, onto the appropriate places in your document. If you need to sign a document yourself, the process is just as easy. Open the document in the app and tap on the designated signature field. You can then sign with your finger or Apple Pencil. Finally, the Manage tab is your central hub. Here, you can track the progress of documents you've sent, review signed documents, and access your drafts. This is where you stay organized and in control. And that's it. You're now equipped to send, sign, and manage documents with Docusign on your iPad, making you a mobile document master. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.